Hello, Yusuf. This is Passenger here. Massive congratulations on Tea for the Tillerman turning 50. What a fantastic and I'm sure surreal experience it all is. It's one of my favourite albums of all time. Thank you so much for writing it. It's had such a huge influence on me and my songwriting. This song is one of my favourite songs in the world. It's Father and Son, and I hope I don't butcher it too badly. It's not time to make a change. Just sit back and take it easy. You're still young, that's your fault. There's so much you have to know. Find a girl, settle down. If you want to, you can marry. Look at me, I am old, but I'm happy. I was once like you are now, and I know that it's not easy to be calm when you found something going on. But take your time, think a lot. Think of everything you've got, for you will still be here tomorrow, though your dreams may not. Well, how can I try to explain? When I do, he turns away again, and it's always been the same old story. From the moment I could talk, I was ordered to listen, and there's a way, and I know that I have to go away. I know I have to go. It's not time to make a change, so just sit back and take it slowly. You're still young, that's your fault. There's so much you have to know. Well, find a girl, settle down. If you want to, you can marry. Look at me, I am old, but I'm happy. Well, all the times that I've cried, keeping all the things I knew inside. It's hard, but it's harder to ignore it. If they were right, then I'd agree. But it's them they know, not me. And there's a way, and I know that I have to go away. I know I have to go.